How to get diamonds in the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to get the diamonds on it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to get the diamonds, tap on the diamond icon at the top just right here. Select it, and here you can find the gems option just right here. Now to get them, simply buy it. Now tap onto one of these offers, tap on it, and after that simply add your payment method and simply purchase it. And this is one of the way that you can get the diamonds. And you can also get the diamonds by playing the game and completing them, and also participating into the events that comes in this game. And that's it. This is how you can get diamonds in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.